Hi everybody who are watching my channel Bespoke Flooring Solutions. Another awkward job within flooring industry. All these bits of vinyl are going into that awkward area. So we've been doing 150 mils up the wall, welding it to the white rock. Just like that. So everything needs to be welded due to health and safety of this building. And of course, because the wall is round, we've been doing this kind of corners, which is very unusual. With the external, we just the usual one. Quite big area, so that's all our stuff. So we have to go around all these machines. And look at that one, we had to get that in one piece all the way to here. So we have to get under the pipe, and we have to weld all this as well. Big room is done, so just imagine working into here with Cap Cove. Oh, can't be easy as this, right? So we put our corner in first, then we basically fit to it. Good luck to us. A quick video for this interesting job. Thank you very much. Bye bye.